Hey guys, this is Ryan from Cruiser Cups, and here's how to install the new vertical mount by Cruiser Cups USA. For this installation, you're going to need a few things. You're going to need a Kroozie, the new vertical mount, a pair of pliers, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Now let's get your Kroozie ready by removing the old base to install your new V-mount. Ensure your hardware is removed if you haven't already taken it off your bike. With the Phillips head screwdriver, insert it into the Kroozie. With a pair of pliers, twist the screwdriver and crack the lock nut. You should then be able to remove it by hand. After removing the V-mount from the package, you'll see a clamp and a mounting bracket. The first step in the installation is to remove the hardware from the V-mount, releasing the mounting bracket. With the old base removed, the next step is to install the new mounting bracket. Use your screwdriver, put it back in the Kroozie, place the mounting bracket over the rubber washer. Using the lock nut you just removed, hand tighten it over the screw. Then, grab your pliers, give it an extra turn or two for a snug fit. Now that you have your Kroozie ready, let's get the V-mount installed on your bike. Spread the clamp just wide enough to fit the down bar of your bike. Make sure the rubber stays in place to protect the finish. Once you have the clamp positioned where you like, squeeze it shut. With the clamp in place, take the screw and put it in the hole closest to the down bar. Then take the lock nut and hand tighten it on the other side. Now let's install the Kroozie. Insert the tab on the mounting bracket in between the two tabs on the V-mount clamp, aligning the three holes. Insert the remaining screw through the holes and hand tighten the lock nut on the other side. Last thing you need to do is tighten the V-mount. Start with the screw closest to the down bar. Adjust the Kroozie to hold your drink. Tighten the screw. Make sure both are tight.